Until now, learning how to tune EFI engines has been notoriously difficult. Tuning is a unique industry in that there's no formal qualification path that you must take to become a qualified and recognised EFI tuner. This makes it hard if you've got an interest in EFI tuning and want to learn more. It also means that many tuners out there in the industry right now don't have a proper understanding of what they're doing, and the results are predictable: poor engine performance, terrible fuel economy, and needlessly damaged engines. The majority of tuners out there would like you to think that tuning is some kind of magic, and you're either born with the necessary skills to be an EFI tuner or you're not. HPA's EFI Tuning Fundamentals course is here to show you that there's no magic. Tuning is simply a science, and it's a science that you can not just learn, but also master with the help of this course. EFI Tuning Fundamentals teaches you the core principles behind both engine and ECU operation. You'll learn how an engine produces power, why it requires a specific amount of fuel, and how to decide what the optimal ignition timing is. You'll also learn how compensation tables work in the ECU and how to correctly configure them. You'll learn how interpolation works in the fuel and ignition tables and how to correctly configure your tables for maximum accuracy without making more work for yourself. You'll also learn how to correctly calibrate fuel and ignition timing quickly and accurately with no guesswork, even on engines that you're tuning for the first time. This course is not specific to any particular engine or any tuning platform. EFI Tuning Fundamentals focuses on the core fundamental principles that are applicable to any 4-stroke gasoline engine. So regardless whether you're reflashing the factory engine control module on a naturally aspirated LS3, or maybe you're tuning a Honda K20 fitted with a turbocharger and a standalone engine management system, or any other combination for that matter, this course will be perfect for you. Once you've purchased this course, it's yours for life and you can watch it as many times as you like. It never expires. When you've completed your course, you'll receive a certificate of completion, which is the perfect addition to your CV to help advance your professional tuning career, or to give your customers confidence by hanging it on your workshop wall. We know that buying online education can be tricky, and it's hard to be 100% sure that a course is perfect for you. We want you to be able to purchase with complete confidence and no risk, and that's why we offer a 60-day, no questions asked, money-back guarantee. If you purchase and for any reason at all decide the course isn't quite right for you, let us know and we'll give you a full refund of the purchase price. When you're learning any new skill, it's natural that you're going to have questions, and this is where HPA's support community comes in. Every course purchase entitles you to 3 months of gold membership, which gives you ongoing support through HPA's online community. Our members-only tuning forum is the perfect place to get reliable and trustworthy answers to your specific tuning questions. You can also join in on our weekly live webinar lessons where we focus on key aspects of ECU tuning. If you can't watch live, you can always catch up on our webinars in the archive where we have hundreds of hours of existing content. So what's the next step? To get instant access to this course as well as the HPA online community, click the link below.